Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download and install ffmpeg. ffmpeg is a free open-source command line tool used to record, convert, transcode, edit, stream, and play almost any audio or video format. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for ffmpeg. Click on the first result to open the official website. Now click on the download option. Scroll down and select the Windows option. Then click on Windows Builds from gan.dev. A new page will open. Scroll down and find ffmpeg git full.7z. Click on it, and the download will start. Once the download is complete, extract the .7z file. After extracting, rename the extracted folder to ffmpeg. Then cut or copy the folder. Go to your C drive or system drive and paste the folder there. Next, click on the Windows button and search for Edit the System Environment Variables. Open it and click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find Path, select it and click Edit. Now click New to add a new entry. Go to the ffmpeg folder that you pasted into the C drive. Open the bin folder and copy its path. Paste this path into the new path entry. Click OK to save. Then click OK again, and click OK one more time to close all windows. Now restart your system. After your system restarts, open Command Prompt as administrator and type ffmpeg version. If you see the version information displayed, that means you have successfully installed ffmpeg. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.